As soon as Kabiyesi takes his seat and Oluwo, we would want the rest of you to please step back. Thank you. Thank you. Please come clear this eye. Clear this eye. Can we clear this eye, please? May I have
the stage? Thank you. Thank you. Please vacate the stage.
So what
If you have nothing
have to
doing.
do, bow to prostrate for Kabiyesi. You can do this to one microphone. Go ahead. Okay, trouble with Astimati Baton. Ẹ̀dákẹ́. Afẹ́bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Balóto yóò rí àṣẹ ìdákẹ́ tí ó nílò àgbàgbà tí. We need security. We just discovered a porous place where people are coming. Listen.
Thank you. If we settle down, we want to get this program underway. And we don't want to see anyone standing. Please, if you don't have a seat, there's an overflow outside where King Sunny Ade and his troop are also entertaining. We have LED screens in that hall where you can also watch whatever is happening here. Thank you. Photographers, please, we don't want any one of you in the floor, except the official photographer. One official photographer for Oluwo of Yoruba land, one official photographer for Obaluyi of Yoruba land, and one for Kabiyesi, Alaafin. They are the only three photographers that we will allow in the front here. We want to appreciate you